I'm going to show you how to 3D design and print. Now there are three main softwares that I like to use for this. One is Tinkercad, which allows you to import side. There are plenty of shapes that you can go through. It has all different kind of things that you can use to build something. For right now, I'm just going to put a little bit of text on this. Once again, unproportional and proportional. I'm going to just make it about this size, and then right click anywhere on the screen and navigate to change your view of the camera. I'm going to just center this, and once you click text, over here will drop down a drop-down menu. You're going to erase what it says text and type in whatever you want. Click enter, and that's for that. Now we're going to change how high this is. I don't want it 5.5 centimeters. We're going to make it 3 millimeters. The size is in millimeters, so don't think that it's 3 inches. It's not. Once you do that, you're going to left click, drag over, group. It now becomes one item. You move it accordingly. Now we're going to export the file, and make sure you click STL. Once you have done that, you're going to click this, and it will upload it in the third software that I like to use. All of these are free software. These two are online, and this one you have to download. This one is I'm going to show you how to 3D design and print. Now there are three main softwares that I like to use for this. One is Tinkercad, which allows you to import